Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate root login security best practices on VPS detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate root login security best practices on your VPS, begin by logging into your VPS as a non-root user with sudo privileges. Open your terminal or command line interface. Update your package list to ensure you have the latest security updates. Execute the command sudo apt update. Once the updates are complete, strengthen the SSH configuration by editing the SSHD configuration file. Use the command sudo nano /etc/ssh/sshd_config. Locate the line that begins with permit root login. Change this line to permit root login no to disable direct root login. Save the changes by pressing Ctrl+X, then Y, and finally enter. Next, create a new user with sudo privileges to enhance security. Run the command sudo add user your username, replacing your username with your desired username. Follow the prompts to set a password and fill in user details. Once the user is created, grant sudo privileges by adding the user to the sudo group. Execute the command sudo usermod ag sudo your username. Now, configure SSH to use key-based authentication for added security. First, generate an SSH key pair on your local machine using the command ssh. Follow the prompts to create the key, typically saving it in the default location. Next, copy the public key to your VPS using the command ssh copy id your username at your.vps.ip address. Log into your VPS using your new user account. Ensure the public key is in the authorized_keys file by running cat/.ssh/authorized_keys. Confirm that the file has the correct permissions with the command chmod 600//.ssh/authorized_keys. Revisit the SSH configuration file to ensure password authentication is disabled. Return to the SSHD configuration file sudo nano /etc/ssh/sshd_config. Find the line that reads password authentication yes and change it to password authentication no. Save the file and exit. Restart the SSH service to apply all changes with the command sudo system to restart. Now, your VPS is configured to use secure root login practices. It is recommended to periodically check the server logs for any unauthorized access attempts. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.